YouTube algorithm 2020. Get more views on YouTube. Okay guys, we want to get more views, right? How do we do it? It's changed. The algorithm's changed. Everything's changed. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get more views, more subscribers, more folks watching your stuff, and we're starting right now. Now in this algorithm update I'm going to share with you the things that you got to do now to get views, but if you do them it's not that hard and you can get a lot more views, a lot more subscribers. I do want to welcome you to my channel. If you haven't been here before, make sure you subscribe, hit bell notifications. There's a bell next to that subscribe button down there. See it, get it, that button. Turn on all notifications. When you do that you become part of the Fisher family, the VIP group. Did I say group? The VIP group that gets notified every single time I do a video. Put your comments below, let me know what you want to see videos on. Been selling online since 2009 and I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products. On this channel I share with you all those tips, tricks, and secrets so you can get the same results. So let's check it out now. What can we do to get more views on YouTube? Well, the first thing you can do is to get your videos suggested. Suggested, that's what I'm talking about. And how do you do that? What are suggested videos? What the heck? Let's check that out right now. I'm going to go into YouTube and we'll see what suggested videos are. Now the biggest thing I hear from new YouTubers is that, you know, I don't have a lot of subscribers, so I can't get any views. It's impossible for me to get views because I don't have any subscribers. This is videos that was suggested to me, and if you look through here, some of these are videos that I'm subscribed to, channels that is, and others are not. Like I do not subscribe to the Washington Post, but for some reason, because of what I've watched online, they think that I should be watching that particular video. Now here's the funny thing. If I were to click, let me scroll through here a little bit more. Invisible people, this one here got 1 million views. Looks like it's homeless people. I do not subscribe to them. I do not subscribe to Thrillist. I do subscribe to a couple of these others. So let me go ahead and click on this video here, and this looks like Santa Monica. Okay, now when I clicked on this video, let me move this out of the way. When I clicked on this video, they gave me some up next or more suggested videos. It's funny because one of them is another mix of this particular video. Let's see what else we got in here. Invisible people. See what they did here. This particular one was by Invisible People, and they said, well gee, if he's going to watch that, maybe he'll watch another one with invisible people. So it's not like, and let me stop this, this is Invisible People here again. It's not like if you don't have a lot of subscribers yours can't get suggested, because that was suggested to me. I don't subscribe to it whatsoever, and now that I clicked on it, look at this, Invisible People. Let's see if he gives me more here. Invisible People, invisible people. Now it's saying, hey, he's interested in invisible people. Look at all the videos it's suggesting to me now. It's amazing, guys. So this algorithm that YouTube has, you know, you can get in the suggested area, and it's possible to have 10 times as many views if you can get into that particular suggested area. Now most YouTubers don't get this, they don't understand it, so it's going to be easier for you to compete with it because you do get it now, you do understand it. No reason these suggested videos can't be you. Now the way the algorithm works is that when you upload a video, it looks at the first date that you uploaded the video, and then they look at how the viewers respond to your video, and then they decide if they want to suggest it. So if you upload a video and some people like it and comment on it, and they watch more on your channel, YouTube's going to say, well, that's a good suggested video because we got good results, we got what we wanted, we got somebody to stay on our platform. And if you can get them to binge watch on your channel, that video is really going to get suggested. Now I'll tell you, this is so important. Once you've done your videos and you've got a few videos in there, you want to go back and look at the analytics and see which videos are getting the most views, because if all your videos on SEO are getting a lot of views, I would suggest you doing more videos on SEO and different versions of SEO or S.E.M, because that's what your audience is asking for, and if you give them what they're asking for, your channel will grow. Additionally, you want to have your channel branded as you. Okay, let's check out my channel right here. This is my channel right here, and I've got a scheduled live here, which is a really important thing to do, guys. Do some lives, and then I've got some of the most watched videos. This one here's got 56,000 views, 9,000 views. So I've also got it set up with my branding in here. It's a business type branding. I'll tell you, I wear t-shirts most days, but you got to dress for the part, right? and it tells what I'm about. It says helping people start, run, and grow online businesses. It's exactly what I'm about. It's got my website here, and I say new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now that's changed. I'm actually doing a Monday through Friday now, but they get that information there. They know what to expect. Online business training, this here goes to my website. This goes to a couple of my other web pages I have. Okay, free e-commerce course they can get right here. So there's a lot of stuff they can do, and I've got this channel set up to where it's branded around me. Now the next thing you want to do, and I see so many people missing this here, is once they've set up their channel and they got their videos and they're analyzing everything, they don't capitalize on the one big thing you can do, and that is playlist. Every video on your channel needs to be in a playlist, and the more playlist you have on your channel, the better off your SEO is going to be. So if you've only got 3 playlists, I would suggest you adding some playlist. Okay, and a video that you put in a playlist doesn't only have to be in that one playlist. It can be in multiple playlists. So if you've got a video and it's in e-commerce playlist, you could also put it under SEO if you talked about SEO in there. It could also be about credit card processing if you talked about credit card processing. So don't think in singular terms of I have a video, it's going to be in this playlist. It can be in multiple playlists. If you do that, you're going to have multiple URLs. URLs are what Google uses to find information on the internet. So if I do a video and I put it on my channel and I don't put it in a playlist, I have one URL. If I take that same video and I put it in 4 playlists, I'm going to have the URL of that video and the other 4 URLs of those playlists. Now I've got 5 URLs for one video. This can drastically increase the chances of somebody seeing your videos. If you've been working on your channel and not getting results, come back to this video and watch it again. There's a lot of parts in here you may miss. If you miss those parts, that could cost you traffic, it could cost you money. So building a YouTube channel is not easy. I have so many people say, well, gee, I tried to do a YouTube channel, they don't work. It didn't work for you, and the reason it didn't work for you is because you did something wrong. No offense, you did something wrong, because there's no way it can work for other people and it not work for you. The difference is they are doing something different. Maybe they uploaded more videos, maybe they were more consistent. Building a YouTube channel is not what it used to be. It used to be you could come on here, do a few funny videos, you'd have thousands or millions of people subscribe to you. It's not like that anymore. Your competition is too stiff. That doesn't mean you can't do it. You just have to do all the things you need to do and be a little bit different. Okay, figure out your own way of doing things, and I'll tell you, the biggest part that people have fear about is getting started. They're like, geez, you know, I don't even know what to start on. I don't know what to do. It doesn't matter how you start. What is important is that you do start, because once you start, you're going to start going in a particular direction, and then you may change, you may go into another direction. But the point is, if you keep doing it, you're going to develop your own style. The truth is, you'll never develop any style if you don't do it. If you do it, your own personality will eventually come out if you do it enough, and if you do it over and over and over, and if you follow these best practices that are going to bring you traffic, you will do fine. Trust me on this. Trust me on this. Put in the comments below, are you trying to grow a YouTube channel, and what obstacles have you come against? What do you need help with? I'll be happy to help you with that, but you got to ask, you got to participate. And I think that's one thing I've noticed over the years. The people that participate, whether they're knowledgeable or not, just they ask questions, they comment, they do stuff, are the ones that end up being really successful, because they're in the mix. Okay, make sure you're in the mix. If you really want to get in the mix, click on this video right here too. It'll help you make a lot of money online. So get in the mix, guys. Put your comments down there, put your likes, put your dislikes, whatever. Do one of those 2 things down there, right? And don't forget to grab my course. It's a $97 course. I'm giving it away absolutely free right now. Why wouldn't you take advantage of that? That would be pretty smart to do that. I really appreciate you listening to this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Turn on bell notifications. The bell broke? No. There we go. Turn on bell notifications, turn on all notifications, so that you know when I do a new video, so that you don't miss any of this, so that you're part of that VIP Fisher family group that gets notified. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.